Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the unable to connect to EA servers error in FC26. Let's get started. Before making any changes, make sure your internet connection is working properly. Open your web browser and try loading a few websites. You can also open YouTube and play a video. If websites and videos are loading normally, your internet connection is likely working correctly. If not, troubleshoot your network connection first. Next, open a browser on your PC or phone. Go to EA's official server status page. Once you're there, look for FC26 server status. Check whether the servers are online. If the servers are currently down, there's nothing wrong with your PC or console. You'll simply need to wait for EA to restore the service. If the servers are online, continue to the next step. Completely close FC26. Make sure the game is no longer running in the background. Now restart your router or modem. Wait about 30 seconds before turning it back on. Once your internet connection is restored, launch FC26 again and check if the error has been resolved. If you're playing through the EA app, Steam, Xbox app, or another launcher, locate FC26 in your library. Select Manage. Then choose Repair or Verify Game Files depending on the launcher you're using. This process will scan the game installation and automatically download any missing or corrupted files. It will also ensure that FC26 is updated to the latest version. Wait for the repair process to finish. Once completed, launch the game again. If the problem still persists, the final step is to reinstall the game. Uninstall FC26 from your system. Once the removal is complete, download and install the game again. A fresh installation can often resolve connection issues caused by corrupted game files.